All Souls' Day in Roman Catholicism is a day for commemoration of all the faithful departed and is observed on November 2nd. The day is dedicated to prayer and remembrance, where Requiem masses are commonly held and many people visit and decorate the graves with wreaths and candles. In Shillong, hundreds of Catholic faithful were seen thronging the Catholic Church cemetery at Layungkra, Shillong, to pay homage to departed souls by the laying of wreaths and lighting of candles on the grave of their loved ones. Apart from the Requiem Mass, prayers were also offered by individuals as intercession for the dead.
Ketugador Ifar Richard Bigar General Beranakan akan dia kaniam berukom akan dia masuk kod ketugador ya baro kilendo masuk kod banduai kerpang nak bentar baro kibalak lano ketugador ya baro kiriuniam kiberdar kisestar ketugador
doing it wine go play dragon rat wasu masuk care ye kenai pau ting tao bagat penyem ye kibalangai kami do pek smobha ye kan kam jungi do terku ba kerdo ye rum kentang jong tabaran namar hangi kiwan jakai gun kimet jong kirungai hagin nolakot no kajingim jong ki doai ba kajimi pa inyo ye kajing sok ba kajingim bom jokot Lembah kuat of heart, thou Christ who tried Jongi. Amen. Ngeloi kecingin pat, bakecingin, muang who try. Jauh bagai hanga ulim, wala dah bayam. Ucap ia bagai hanga, nomyak dan nadaru. Who try to his name. Who Christ to his name. Who pa Jongi. Amen. Doing it wine. All great dragon rat, Konongo, Bentan, Slabentan. Yakiting Tawara, but Unong Spa, Ekino Prima Dream. Dosna, Yakating wine, Kapami, Nebuchadnezzar. The Penaram, Yakating Slow Sea to me. Gibadang Im Dansa, Hanging Slaw Pate, the Susanay, Great Atantani, Baladik no Shwani. The Pelancot, Yakating Shiton, Junki Barbaget. Roman Catholicism, try the Metjanki, and Nipa, Shakapuram, Tangshios Neo Yakachim, but it's in to Roy Jangangel Jomi, Yipani.